Pretty view here from our camera located in Kingsport. This is our Dobbins Bennett camera. You're looking towards Bays Mountain, and you can see the sun setting over it there in the distance. Kind of a chilly evening, 37 degrees right now. We're only going to go down from there with clear skies and very dry air in place. We will see more moisture, though, by later in the day on Sunday. You notice we're starting off with some high clouds starting to work their way in by Sunday morning. And later on in the day, some little scattered light rain showers starting to push in here. This will be more prevalent as we head towards the evening and into the overnight time as we continue to see kind of waves of moisture between tomorrow afternoon and evening and all the way through Monday and even into the first part of Tuesday. Here we go on Future Track, 7 a.m. on Monday morning. You can see in a few areas, too, there could be some locally heavier rain. The higher chance for that, I think, is going to be here across parts of Kentucky, where we'll see more of the heavier axis of rain continue throughout the day. That's where rainfall totals could add up to a few inches. We likely will see a break at some time during the day Monday. I'm thinking the afternoon on Monday. So morning commute, wet. Lunchtime, kind of wet in a few spots, and then evening we're starting to see more showers push in, and some of it once again could be locally heavy. Let's talk about the rainfall totals here. We're looking at about a half an inch to an inch across the area. Look at the heavier band, though, that I'm talking about across Kentucky. You're getting into 2-3 inch territory as you go up into parts of eastern and central Kentucky. Thankfully, our flood risk looks relatively low. We may see some issues in some of those poor drainage areas, but not too worried about that at this time. Here's our weather setup. High pressure in control right now, but here comes our next weather maker. Doesn't look like much at this moment, but some of the rain and clouds with that will be pushing in tomorrow night and even into part of tomorrow afternoon. You see the rain chances increasing throughout the day, becoming more prevalent towards the nighttime hour of Sunday. And tomorrow, temperatures generally a little bit warmer as well in the mid to upper 40s. So even though we'll see the clouds around more tomorrow, we'll get a wind shift to more of a southerly direction. That'll help bump these temperatures up a few more degrees than what they were at today. Now, beyond this system, let's talk about our next system and how that kind of doesn't play in to this very well. We are at the climatological coldest part of winter. What does that mean? Well, it means from basically now through March, we start to add some temperatures generally to our normal afternoon highs. So by the 31st of January, we're getting up to 46, 50 by Valentine's Day, 54 by the end of February, and towards the end of March, our average temperature is typically around 64 degrees. But later on this week, it's not going to feel like that at all. We will have some temperatures in the upper 50s to low 60s all the way through Tuesday here, but note Wednesday, we're starting to watch out towards the west, and here comes a little slug of moisture. This is going to combine with some moisture here from this area low pressure and give us a chance for some rain and snow across our region. Snow more likely in the higher terrain than across some of the lower elevations, but something we need to watch here for Wednesday night and into Thursday. You may see some impact, especially in those higher zones across our area. Otherwise, note the big temperature drop there. Wednesday into Thursday, the bottom falls out and we get down to 39 for a high after seeing highs near 60.